Rocker Pat here. Alright guys, we're over here on a Friday night. Over here at the Pasadena. That's Pasadena, Texas. Car show. Over here in the parking lot. Let's go take a walk around and see what we can find. We got the Dodge crowd here. Hood's off on the roof. We're gonna take a little walk around here and see what we can find.
Yeah, you want that. You want to have something.
It's a nice booth.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sweet. Can you imagine the first guy that got to drive that thing? Now I followed this one in, and as y'all can probably already imagine, I was drooling on the way. I mean, we're talking about, y'all think my 295, we're talking about 345s, baby. Yeah, baby. Now that's one G-body right there. One of these days, mine will look like that. We'll see what I can do. Beautiful, beautiful 1957 Bel Air two-door hardtop. Anybody want one? Look at that paint. That's almost as good as that red truck I painted. All right, maybe it's just as good. That's a beauty. Hell yeah. All right. Got ourselves a Chevelle and a Camaro SS. Nice, that Camaro's nice. I like that teal. Sweet! Got a little Gia going on over here. Karma Gias. Look at this Cheyenne. How'd y'all like to drive that thing around for a little while? Got us a new vet. See what we can find on this road. It's like a 70, well, it's got to be a 76 because it's a Stingray. Now that's an odd little limo.
I have two Vipers. The first one I got a wreck. The second one, my wife maybe get rid of it.
Uh-oh, Mustang with an HEI. If you don't like that, I don't know what's wrong with you. Got a little Fox body here. Couple pick 'em up trucks. Sweet. Hell yeah. All right, we got an LS square body. Rolling iron. Got that NASCAR vibe going on here. What year you got right here? 58, beautiful. Looking sweet. Uh-oh. For you guys that like them with no fenders. That's the way the hot rods used to be. All right, Ron. What do y'all think about that? Thumping little square body. Yeah, this is sweet. Nice car. Oh, you're doing fine. You'd be just as pretty as the cars. Got us another Fox body. Got some more C3 going on here. Oh, well, here's something special. 1940, I believe. Yes. Sweet. Uh-oh. Got a little monster action going on here with the C-body. Now see, this is old school hot rod right here. This is the way they used to do them. Ooh, got some ghost flames going there too. Look at that. Boy, you gotta love that cheap Chinesium chrome. Cool ride right there. Uh-oh, for the Buick fans. Oh, Rat Rod Bob, look what we got here. In your own way, baby. Little rat rod action going on here.
And put it all back together and change gears and synchronize it.
I've never gotten to that detail.
What is this?
Rat Rod Bob, in your honor. Gotta be a rat everywhere. All right, let's go check this more out. We got 2 more rows. Uh-oh. For the lowrider crowd, we got our imps. Them LEDs. Light that bad boy up. I like the light package. Uh-oh. 1955. Yeah, boy. And then we got ourselves a 4-door 57. Uh-oh. Is that a Rocker Pat truck sitting here? Farm truck, did you say? Hell, it even comes with all the farm implements. Oh, by the way, I bought an auger to go with my scoop for my tractor. She's a rusty, she's a crusty, but she's mine. All right, let's go look at some more cars. Hey man, that looks like my pickup truck right there. Sitting a little better than mine is right now. All right, let's go over here to this side. We got another row. Trying to get this all filmed and then I'm gonna go shoot the shit with people. Uh-oh, big block in the old pick-em-up truck. No AC special. 2 windows down, 700 miles an hour. There's that square body. Now that square body's nice. That's one sweet ride right there. Yes, sir. Lowrider Fox body convert. Little HHR, little SS. Got us another C3. And a nice 60. I don't know. Wait a minute. Give me a second. 69. You know how you tell the difference between 68, 69, and a 67? 67 is going to have a vent window and a round rear wheel well. 68 is going to have a round rear wheel well and no vent window. 69 has a flat wheel well and no vent window. And the scoops right there. All right, guys, there's your lesson on Camaros. Let's go see what else we got rolling around over here. I think that's it for the car show over here. Looks like we got ourselves a 68 sitting over there. There's a 68 Camaro. We were just talking about the differences. You see that round wheel well? Yes, sir. Round wheel well, no vent window. 68 Camaro. All right, guys. Y'all keep rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking. And I'm going to enjoy the car show. Ooh, you can smell the race fuel in that bad boy. Y'all keep rocking. Talk to y'all next time.